We're starting a new set, the ring boring device. We'll start by modeling the set's support. If you'd like to model this part with us, the link to download the PDF with every measure is on the description below. We'll start by opening a new part, activating the YZ plane, and habilitating the multiple lines command. From the origin point, we're modeling the part as if we saw it from its lateral. Going to the right side, we're inputting a width of 75, then a height of 135. On that superior side, we're adding a width of 65, and we'll go down to 18. As we're not rounding it yet, we'll add a measure of 37 and lower the length to 92. Then we'll add a measure of 47. Close the geometry and confirm the measures. With the multiple lines still active, we're selecting the extruding tool, adding a distance of 105. After that, we're finishing the operation, and then we'll select the bottom face of the part, activating the sketch. Habilitating the rectangle command, we're activating the relative point option and drawing a rectangle with any measure, confirming the measures that will show up. Then we're altering the distances. For the x-axis, for this measure, we're adding a measure of 10. Now, for this one, also on the x-axis for the rectangle, it'll be 85. Now, on the y-axis, we're inputting 0 for the corner, and the height of the rectangle will be 75. Now we'll activate Extrude and select the Cut option. Add a distance of 7 and finish the operation. Yet on the bottom part, we're doing another extrusion, right? So select that elevated part of our base and activate Sketch. Activating Rectangle again will follow the same steps we've been through before. However, on the measures, we'll add 0 as the distance on the x-axis corner and the length of 105. On the y-axis, it'll be a distance of 10 for the corner and a length of 55. We'll activate the Extrude with the Cut option, and we're doing the operation with a measure of 7. Now we're moving on to the part's rounding. First, we need to habilitate the Fillet command and input 5 as the radius. Select every corner that you need to apply the operation. And then we're moving to the hole in the part's center. Select the frontal face and activate Sketch. With the Arc Circle command, we're selecting the relative point option. We'll use the bottom face's measures as a reference and input them. We're inputting the biggest radius for this circle, which is 38.5. For the distance to the x-axis, it'll be 52.5, considering the hole is centered. And last but not least, the distance from the y-axis is 72. We'll now perform the recess of this circle, enabling the Extrude command and inserting the measure of 1.5. Habilitating the Hole command, we're adding a simple through hole with a radius of 33. Then we'll select the origin and finish aces of that hole, centering it. To add a chamfer to the hole, we'll select the Chamfer command, and we'll add a measure of 3.5. Selecting the thread that we'll add to the chamfer. Now we'll add the smaller hole right below our last one, so it's the same steps we've done on Sketch. We're only changing the measures. After finishing the sketch, we'll habilitate the Hole command and we'll configure the hole as follows. We'll select the V-type angle at a depth of 10 and the diameter will be 6.35. Click on OK and select the face where the hole will begin and the hole center. Moving on, we'll add the upper hole, so we'll select the face and start a new sketch. Here, we'll add 52.5 on the x-axis measure, as the hole is also centered, and 45 on the y-axis. Our radius will be 12. Habilitate the Hole command and select the Counter Bore option. Add 24 as the diameter, and we're inputting a depth of 2. On diameter 2, we'll input 18 and click OK. Now, all we need to do is select the origin and finish faces and add the center. Last but not least, we'll change its material. In Color and Material, we'll select Cast Iron. And our support is done. Well, guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.